Hello guys, if you are facing the problem in the snipping tool in your Windows, then you are in the right place. For the first step, go to Start menu and just click the power button and restart your computer. After, again problem can fix, press Ctrl Shift Escape, open the text manager. After you can find out the snipping tool, right click and click the end task and try opening the snipping tool. Okay, and if you are again facing the issue, the next method is that press Windows plus R from the keyboard and type app stabilizer.cpl and click OK. And here you can find out the snipping tool. Just right click and uninstall, and click yes. It's going to uninstall the snipping tool. Then after it asks to restart your PC, click yes and restart your computer. Go to the Microsoft Store, click OK. Tap on snipping tool. Click OK. From here, and download this snipping tool. It's installing right now. Open. Now here you can find out so many options for your snipping tool. That one and drag like this. Snip your screen. Take a screenshot from here. Next off. Name it. And if you are unable to download snipping tool, after download this tool and it's not working, then what you have to do is go to Start menu, MD, right click and run as administrator, and click yes, and here you have to type one command xfc space type slash, now scan now, enter, and this will scan all the system file of your computer, and this will also prepare your PC if there is any types of issue, and so you can fix the snipping tool is not working on your PC. So guys, if this solution helped you to solve your problem, then let me know in the comment box. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.